What's up, fellow island riders? Hope you're having a great day today. Today we are picking it up with my buddy Leo and the Red Isle ATV club here just outside of Charlottetown. It's run day at the club and we're going to be tagging along. The goal is to go to Oyster Bed. The goal is to actually go to Oyster Bed, not intend to go to Oyster Bed and ends up going to Winslow, but we'll see how we do. Not gonna lie, man. A little nervous. Because we got a lot of rain and we got a lot of mud, and to tell you the truth, I need practice in the mud. We'll see how we do in the mud. If not, we got a ton of people behind us coming. I think there's so many machines out there. Side-by-sides, four-wheelers. One other dirt bike between me and Leo. But I think everybody's gonna have a good time. Either way, it's another beautiful day on Prince Edward Island.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding.
Oh boys, the mud factor is real today. Oh, that's a good death pit. Look at that. Good drainage pit though, too. Whew. Working up a sweat. Working up a sweat. Working up a sweat. Oh yeah, that was deep. Well, I don't know. I won't speak too soon, but maybe the shinkos aren't too bad in the mud. As long as you got 2 feet on the ground. Yeah! What do you say, Fox? Straight through her or what? Yeah, might as well. We're in a binner anyway. I'm in her. You okay, Foxy? Might have to be a pull out.
Pull out?
Yeah. We can just pull the front end up. We can just get the front tire up. We should be all right. Come on up there, Fox. Hang on to her. Get back on the road, you old beast. Jeepers.
Guess we don't have to tell you to drive fast and take lots of chances.
All right, maybe we did speak too soon about the E805s. There's Leo, waiting for me like a boss. Oh man, I'm out of breath now. Hauling that bike out of that ditch. You just drove right in like you parked. There it is. Oh, sorry. All right. Okay. All right, hang tight. There we go. Oh, Jesus.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Here we go again. Hang tight. Still got that big basin, which is I think up here. Oh, big one. Atta boy, Fox. Oh my God. Gotta remember too, oh, I'm talking again by the way since we're in the fields, that you can't judge your speed by the four-wheelers. So if the four-wheelers are going fast, does not mean, Fox, you can't, oh my God, I'm so rattled. Just let the ride speak. Jeez, Dowski. We go again, Foxy boy. Good job, Fox. Ghostbusters activate. So here's what I'm learning today. One, the Red Isle ATV crew is a pretty good crew. Two, if it rains, this trail gets muddy. And three, don't judge this trail during a drought. You have reached your destination. We made it to Oyster Bed. Finally! Finally we made it to Oyster Bed. I'll know next time. If this video happens to go up early, I got another run where I go from my place to Winslow, inadvertently. I ended up wanting to go to Oyster Bed, but I guess that's the gag of the whole video. Oh man, what a ride. What an exhilarating ride. I mean, for these guys, do it all the time, but for me, that was my first, like, legit run through some mud. And boys, oh boys, it was fun. It was fun. That was wild.
It's a greasy trail.
Oh my god. Some of those holes, man, they were like up to my knees.
You had to point and shoot.
Oh my god. What a wild ride. Well, while the rest of the club finish up their lunch and head back down through the trails back to where we came from, I decided to take the scenic route home. We definitely left the comfort zone today, didn't we, Fox? You did good. You did so good. Man, we ate a lot of mud on that trail. Hopefully there wasn't too many sections where the camera got covered in mud. But if there were, we'll try to see what we can do about that in editing. But anyway, that was an amazing run. And I just want to take a big shout out to the Red Isle ATV Club and the PEI ATV Federation. You guys are all top notch. Thanks a lot for having me along. This has been amazing. So, until next time, subscribe to join the ride and like to keep the ride going, folks. Take care.